business, John. It has nothing to do with
Miss Hardwick.
Boys. No.
You will be held in contempt of this court if you become disruptive.
I don't care. I haven't done anything to this court. I haven't done anything to him.
She will be arrested for contempt of the court.
It doesn't make any difference.
You will serve 10 days for contempt of court. Go now.
Walked into it.
My job.
You know what?
Get off the campus!
Quit yelling at me!
Get off!
Ah! Ah! Oh no!
Right out here.
Talk to you for a second.
Yeah, sure. Satan wears a great mask and you're proud of it. Shove the mask up your ass and out your mouth. No new world order. Nobody's safe. Your own shit, Satan. England, elite motherfucker. I told you don't give him access. Did you just say something I told you not to say? Pushing my buttons with your snake motherfucker on the ground with your luggage shit? Are you with the goddamn sellout FBI motherfucker? With Obama and my family? Are you the bird bitch from stolen stuff in Mexico? Asking me who my God is? It's not Satan. Understood? It's not going to be anybody else's God either. Call it out.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack. Oh! Oh! Fuck, dude. Hey, someone needs to kick that shit. Someone needs to kick that shit. Oh!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Now.
To park there.
Why not?
You can't.
But why?
I'm saving this spot.
It's being crazy. You can't save spots.
No.
You can't save spots like this.
To this line. Save.
This is insane.
Save.
Oh look, he's gonna.
Park here.
Oh my god. He's putting his hands on the car.
Man, what are you doing here?
Put it in reverse. Put it in
Oh
our
my gosh, what car? You have to be in a car to save spots.
This spot. I am saving this spot.
You can't save both.
This is customer parking only. If you're not a customer, you shouldn't park here.
Well, where are you going, sir? Are you
I'm
gonna
not
be a
park- He's
customer?
parking here, but he's not a customer.
Are you a customer?
Yes.
Are you a customer, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, then why can't he park here? You can't save these spots.
Okay, I didn't know he was a customer.
Yeah, say that again. Oh, now you're shy?
Say it again.
Say it again. Now you're shy?
What's wrong with you, man?
Say it one more time.
I'm sorry, you need to leave.
Yeah, you need to leave.
That is not appropriate.
Trump's
You
gonna you.
need to leave now.
Need to leave.
Oh, you need
You do not talk to
No,
our
you
guests
need
like
to
that.
leave.
What's wrong
You need to leave.
Asian piece of
Oh my
Right
god.
now. Get out of here.
Yeah, I'm out.
Get out. You are not allowed here.
I already put my
Do
money
not
down.
talk to our guests like that. Get out now.
Who are these?
They are valued guests.
Oh, are they?
Yes.
Yeah, they're
Get out.
valued guests.
Get out.
Yeah, you, you're a racist.
You are not allowed here ever
Yeah,
again.
really. No problem. I'm saying.
Muslims.
Oh my God.
Yes, yes, yes.
Here we go. Oh, I love your garb. You look like a
Yeah. Oh, look at that, son. That's a cool.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Good for you.
Keep going. Keep going. See, we keep your
Pull that up.
distance.
Pull that up, honey.
Yeah, pull.
God,
Go ahead, pull the
ugly
cups,
women.
the cups on the
Ugly
phone.
Muslims. They're here in
Yeah,
our
that's right,
country.
yeah.
In our country. In our country.
We're here in your country.
Get the Out of my face. Get her out.
I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking get you on the floor.
Listen, this guy is threatening me. This guy is threatening me.
Lady, move back.
Will you please Walgreens
Move back.
on 17th Street Causeway?
I'm telling you right now, move back.
No,
Step back, man.
you threaten me.
Step back.
You threaten me.
You need to
She's
step
filming
back.
me. She's
You
filming
touch
me. Get out of my face, honey. Get out of my face. Get out of my.
You need a mask, ma'am.
Want me to spit on you, ugly?
To you, if you
What
do
a
that, I'm
ugly.
gonna fucking
What
hit
a
you.
ugly.
I'm gonna hit
Why
you.
do you wear clothes like that? Why do you have clothes like that? This is Walgreens on 17th Street by the bridge.
You don't come in
By
and
the
spit on
bridge.
people. How do you come
And
in
there's
spit on
Muslims
people?
here
Yeah, they're
that are
scary,
threatening.
yeah.
Muslims.
We're in
Get
the corner.
else.
Son.
Really? Because you know what?
Look at that.
I'm there.
Where are you from? I'll have to go back to Ukraine. I accept your apology.
I have friends that are.
Yeah, we
Male Karen getting thrown out.
It is going down here in a minute.
You're out of here! Oh, screw you! You're out of here! You're out of here! You don't leave, you forfeit the game. I don't belong to them. I'm just in here feasting. Well, too bad. You're out of here. Oh yeah, you're in front of all the kids and children down here. You're real classy. You're real classy. Have you looked at yourself in a mirror, asshole? Yeah, I look a lot prettier than you.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to provide will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
I would like to call.
Ma'am, stop. I know you want to control this room, but this isn't Burger King. When the sign changes to Burger King, you can have it your way. Right now, this is my courtroom, and you will answer my questions. Stop. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury? Yes or no? Are you going to tell the truth? All right, I'll take that as silence. I understand her attorney is on here. Where is her attorney?
He's the big red nose.
Again, say anything again without telling me you're going to tell the truth, and I will hold you in contempt of court for 93 days. Contempt carries with it 93 days and or $7,500. You will not act disrespectful in this.
All right, I just want to make sure you understand that because you're being recorded and you're saying that you understand that.
I understand that, ma'am. What's your name?
Craven Swan.
Swan.
Like a bird.
Officer Swan, thank you very much.
Yes. But listen here, you come back out here and start touching your equipment, you are going to go to jail. I don't care if you agree or you disagree. It's not your job to come out here and tell them what they can and can't chop down.
Thank you.
They're just trying to do their job. It's Monday morning.
All right. It's only Monday, man. It's only Monday, man.
Boys, I need some assistance. Can you hold the funnel for me? Probably not. Come on, just one time. Probably not. I'm the fastest 19-year-old out here. I'm trying to prove Probably not. Actually, stop recording. Chill out. No, just chill out. She's not going to stop recording.
No, but I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't like that.
It's a public beach. We're here to have a good time.
Hey, Jimmy. Hey, oh shit.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Come back, man. Come back. Come back. Give me the paper again. Count one will be 10,000.
Are you serious?
I am serious. Adios. Come back again. Come back again. Bring him back again. I believe I heard you saying to...
Yes, I did. I'm not going to do
I believe you... Did you say...
Actually, I
Did you say that?
Yes, sir, I did.
Oh, you did say that?
I'm not
I find you in
gonna lie.
direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the county jail.